Well, the grass cutters just came in and oh, totally forgot about this. Yeah, last night I was playing some basketball.
Let's go, let's do this. Oh!
Actually, some people that knew me on YouTube, so it was fun playing with them. But I did come home very tired and super late. I completely forgot about this. I actually ended up getting a soundbar from this company, LE Giant. And what I wanted to do with that soundbar is actually hook it up like right there or something, so that when I'm working on my car, you know, my friends are here working on their vehicles, we can have some music, you know what I mean? It's a Bluetooth speaker soundbar, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna be doing that soon. I'm not too sure. And it's actually a really nice soundbar for the price. Yeah, because last time my friends were here and we're working on our vehicles, we had our little Bluetooth speaker, like the small little thing, and it just wasn't cutting it, wasn't like awesome. So I wanted, you know what, get a soundbar and like just have it up there, right there. Obviously plug it into the wall and then, you know, have some music. Before you ask, I'll leave the links to that in the description below. The price, not too shabby, not too shabby. Hey guys, Goki's here, making more videos again, and today guys, we have an unboxing of probably the most expensive LED headlights that I've ever reviewed. I just want to try it out, just want to see what the whole hype is about. So without further ado, let's get to it. You know, I just don't get the fresh cut grass smell thing. Doesn't appeal to me. Doesn't appeal to me, you know? I don't know. Alrighty. Are you guys comfortable up there? Let's get to the actual box. So here's the actual box itself. It's a simple LED box. I gotta say, it does have some magnets to the box, you know what I mean? You guys already know me. If there are magnets on the box, you already know it's probably a really decently awesome product. I don't know, it definitely was the most expensive headlights I've ever tested. And, you know, because of this channel, I think it was fitting for me to get one of the most expensive headlights that are out there to show you what it's all about. It's from a company called Brighton Technologies. So for our standard H11 bulbs, these are H11 bulbs, but as you can see in the back, they have a ton of different sizes for you to choose from. So enough of the chit chat, let's just get straight into unboxing this bad boy. Oh, like I said, magnets. Box with the magnets, I swear. Oh. You know, I kid you not, I refrain from trying to open these packages because I want you guys to see my first impressions on it, like right when I open the box. But man, I gotta tell you, these things do look sweet. They have like this nice gold finish to it, gives it a premium touch, but you know, you never know. It's not premium until you test it out, plug it in, and see how it actually looks. It comes with some literature up here. Not too bad, obviously it's plug and play. I never mess with anything, I just plug it into the vehicle and it's always good to go, no matter what. It comes with two LED lights right here, just in case if you want it. These are great for license plate 194 bulbs, whatever that you require. These are white, obviously, white, nice bright white LEDs. These two right here, it's a little something extra that they give in. It's kind of nice, I like that. Alrighty, let's take a look at the actual bulb. Now the reason why I got these bulbs is because, let me take out the driver here, and here's the other bulb right here. I'm gonna put this down to the side because, you know, they're the same. So when I say plug and play, like I can't believe I still get questions like this, like, do I need wire strippers and stuff? No way. Do not use wire strippers. If you're using wire strippers, you're doing something wrong or you're getting the wrong bulb. These are meant to be plug and play, positives on positive, negatives on negative. I do know sometimes people tend to get the wrong bulb. They try to get H11 if their car uses like 9005 or something. And I've had someone actually ask me, hey, how do I cut these wires to make it fit and stuff? Like, whoa, what are you doing? Do not cut wires. Everything should be, like I said, plug and play. You see this? Plug and play. You see hear that click? Satisfying click. So you connect the driver to this guy. I'm very indifferent when it comes to a driver versus non-driver bulbs. I really don't care. If they require a driver, it doesn't matter. It just goes into my vehicle and it's perfectly fine. Most vehicles have space for a driver like this, so it's perfectly fine in my opinion. This driver is on the smaller side of the drivers I've seen before, so it's not bad. And then obviously you have the plug and play socket right here. I'm going to show you how to actually plug it into the vehicle. In this case, I'm going to be doing it on the Highlander since it uses H11 bulbs. Here's the actual bulb itself. Let me bring it really close. I mean, what can I say? It looks beautiful, has the name on there, but one thing that's unique about it is their three-sided design. One right here, two, and then one on the right here on the back, right here. Three-sided design. I rarely do bulbs that have three-sided designs because, first of all, I've had bad experience with them, okay? Reason being is because they use cheaper, like the chips, you know what I mean? The actual chip, the yellow See this yellow stuff right here? These are the chips where the light emits from, okay? Once it gets some voltage, bam, this thing emits light. And so I've had bad experiences with 3-sided LEDs. I thought it would be brighter. Obviously, 3-sided brighter, right? Not necessarily the case. And I don't even try to even mention it. I've got a ton of 3-sided LEDs and I just don't like them. But these had a freaking high price point. The chips are promising. I've done this so many times. I can look at a product and be like yay or nay, and this kind of seems like a yay so far without even me testing it. I have not tested these, so that's why you guys are here watching me review this bad boy. Has a fan on the back. Like I said, also I am very indifferent with fans as well. I tend to honestly like fans better than fanless because I feel like the output is just a tad bit brighter, okay? Now if you had asked me would I want to use fan in my fog lights, probably not. However, in my Honda Accord I did use the fan ones in the fog lights. They were extremely bright, really beautiful, never had a problem with them. In fact, my friend still has fan bulbs in his fog lights and never had a problem with them as well. So what can I say? Nothing else to see on the actual bulb. You guys have seen me do reviews on this. Let's go actually plug this guy into the Highlander, see how it looks on the road. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, let's go. Actually, you know what? Let me show you guys something real quick. Look at this. Got the Genesis Nation out here, guys. Yeah, Genesis. This is the older model Genesis, obviously. Very beautiful vehicle as well. So it's pretty nice. It looks like a Mercedes in the front. It's kind of weird, but the older Genesis still looks pretty nice. Obviously, guys, we have this bad boy in here, you know. This thing is awesome. 2 Genesis in the house. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All right, soundboard, we're gonna have to get you off this hood so I can get these LEDs in here. Look at this soundboard right here, guys. Got it because it's Bluetooth and can't wait to actually, you know, plug it into the wall right here. Don't worry, this soundboard does have some rubber feet, so it's not scratching up the vehicle. I know a lot of people might say that. I'm not gonna put this on there. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh, one thing with this Highlanders, I wish it had struts, guys. Struts make a huge difference, I gotta say. That the Genesis has struts, this doesn't have struts. To open this nice and easy. Look, I mean, look how beautiful these are, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take these old bulbs out. You've seen plenty of times. You just twist and pull. There we have it. Unplug this bad boy. I'm gonna do it with one hand right here. There we have it. Look at that. And then let's put these guys in. Already you can tell a big difference from the drivers that look like this, the normal size drivers versus the ultra slim driver over $100 LED bulb has. I like that. Not bad, not bad. Alrighty, just plug this bad boy in like so. Positive to positive, negative to negative. A lot of people also ask me all the time like, hey, it doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. Make sure, guys, that if it doesn't work, all you have to do is just unplug it, turn it around and plug it back in. That's it. Turn it 180 degrees and plug it back in. So you unplug it, turn it 180 degrees and plug it back in. Do not unplug it and turn it 360 degrees because that's basically the same thing. And basically you're just switching the polarities, plug it back in, and you should be able to work. Okay, I have the bulb right here. Let me just test it out to see if it even turns on. All right, it's looking great. Man, that was pretty bright actually, I gotta say. So you basically plug it into the original socket and then twist it in place like so. There we have it, and then you're golden. Look at that. And of course, now you've done with that one, take the other one out right here and put it on the other side. Make sure everything is good to go. Take it outside and let's see how it looks. Alrighty, guys, I'm in the Highlander. It is dark outside, and before even I go out there, a lot of people just want to see how it looks in the vehicle. Okay, so this is with, you know, just the lights on, the low beams on, the normal driving lights, you know, whatever you want to call it, but no fog lights. Okay, this is when the fog lights are on right there. That's fog lights. The fog lights aren't that bright. They aren't the best fog lights. I gotta change them out, but to be honest, I don't really use the fog lights on this vehicle anyways. So let's turn them off. As you can see, they're off right here, and look at that. That's how it looks, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This is no high beams or anything, just like that. So people wanted to see how it looks just like this without going outside and stuff. This is how it looks. Okay, so in a normal vehicle, look how bright it is. I mean, seriously, that is really already a good sign. I was driving already and I didn't catch my real reaction when I got out my driveway and stuff because I didn't have the camera on, but man, I was excited. This is I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. And then let's go outside and check it out. Let's roll down the window so I don't lock my keys in here on accident or something. Let's step out this bad boy. I'm so glad I have this long straight road right here just to show you guys the beauty of how brilliant these lights look, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. For some reason, I don't know why, but they just look a lot, you know. Whoa, whoa. Wait, I have Come on. Okay, so after taking a look at these bad boys a little bit closer, they seem a little bit whiter than I'm used to. You know, normally, let me get a focus here. Normally I see them, it's blue or yellow, but this is like pure white, guys. Like seriously, just pure white. I am loving how this looks right now. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And remember, this is coming from a Highlander, from your car maybe, that comes from yellow, dingy looking bulbs to this. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. I love this. And then let's take a look at how it looks actually down the street. Oh my gosh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Like I said, even in the car, it just looks so beautiful. This is not my first time on this road, and for some reason, these just are tinge bit brighter. Like, look over there and stuff. Like, I don't know why, but I just feel like these are a tinge bit brighter. Not a whole lot, but still, you know, it's up to you if you want to pay that extra premium for this premium bulbs, okay? These are definitely some high quality bulbs. They almost remind me of HIDs. HIDs are extremely bright. High intensity discharge bulbs. Their HIDs are bright, and these really do remind me of HIDs. Let me turn on some parking lights here. Normally the street is pretty quiet. No one's on here. Today, for some reason, there are a lot of people. But anyways, doesn't matter. I gotta make this video for you guys in the dark, in the night. You guys love this, and I want to show you guys what premium bulbs look like. And this is what premium bulbs look like, guys. I think that vehicle is coming back right there. Let me just get out the way real quick. Yeah, when I first looked at this is my first time actually walking out the car and looking at the lens itself in the dark like this, and absolutely for some reason they're just whiter. They don't have any blue, they don't have any yellow, it's just pure white, and that's what I like. I think I'm gonna leave these on my vehicle. I know they cost a lot, but look at this light output, guys. For some reason, like I say, it's just a little bit brighter, just a little bit more intense, and that's what I like. These are some premium LED bulbs right here for sure. I am loving them. Absolutely beautiful. The links I'm gonna put in the description below, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase the LEDs are gonna be in the description below. They weren't too shabby, I gotta say. If you want the absolute highest cost LEDs that I've seen, definitely these will do the trick. They really did impress me. I'm gonna be leaving it into a Highlander and testing it out some more and seeing how they perform. But so far, I definitely like it. The links to the soundbar are also gonna be in the description below. But if you have any other questions like that, make sure you message me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and obviously the comment section below. I actually do heart the awesome comments that I get, but there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure to click out for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep to share, saying thanks for watching and peace.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby.